Good morning, friends. Once again, welcoming you all to my YouTube channel. Today, we are going to discuss about the Sentinel-2 cloud removal techniques. In this tutorial, I am going to discuss about the two different method of cloud removal. The first one is mask to cloud function, which is available in the Google Earth Engine platform. So in this uh, slide, you can see the satellite image. I have removed the cloud with the function cloud using the function mask to cloud function with less than 20% cloud pixel percentage, right? And in this, you can see the clouds are not visible at all. And in this satellite image, I have used the Sentinel-2 Cloud Score Plus function. For detailed understanding and practical implementation of these two functions, click in the link given in the description box. Thank you.